Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony from AJT Jewelry here. Hope you all had a great weekend. As every week goes by, I'm going to be showing off some pieces that I'm wearing, at that day or that time. So this one here today is the Snake Eyes skull ring. Gave it a bit of a polish there. This piece I made about 2 years ago and wanted to do a skull that had obviously a snake going around it, but obviously the snake's head sitting on top of the skull there, so you can see it there. I used Marquise stones for the eyes of the snake in green emerald, and obviously the large 11mm green emeralds for the eyes of the skull. This piece at my ring size, it's size 10 US. It weighs 105 grams of sterling silver. But obviously if you have larger ring size or smaller, the weight will fluctuate up and down. It wears really comfortable on the finger, so check that out. It doesn't sit too proud. It sits quite flat. Just obviously that snake head there, which looks amazing. If I can get it in the camera. So check that out. The snake wraps around the shank. As you can see there, just goes around the whole ring, sits really nice and comfortable, and is just a badass skull ring if you're into snakes and skulls. So check it out on the website. It's at www.ajtofficial.com. The ring can be made with different stones, anything you like. It can be made with rubies, aquamarine, diamond if you wish, whatever you wish, in yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. So check it out. Everything's on the website. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like the video if you like what you see, and subscribe to the channel. Definitely will be posting up more videos throughout the week wearing some different pieces. All right, guys. Cheers. Peace.